Okay guys, so I'm going to season my chicken. We got black pepper, little curry, onion powder, all seasoned, garlic powder, and some chicken bouillon. Guys, do not be afraid to season that chicken. Okay guys, now that we have our chicken seasoned, I am going to add ranch, not much, and I use 3 cheese ranch dressing from H-E-B. After you add your ranch, I'm going to add just a little chicken broth. Alfredo sauce in a jar. No, I am not making it from scratch. I'm just getting straight out the jar. Classic. Okay, now that I have my Alfredo sauce poured, I am now going to add my vegetables, which I am using carrots, can't get your kids to eat vegetables, which I have no problem with my kids eating vegetables, this is a perfect way to do it. They're going to be so hooked on the flavor, they're not going to realize that they're eating vegetables. Yeah, right, huh? But, anyways, guys, this is a quick, simple, easy, great, delicious meal. Now we're going to I am going to from the top to my pan. I am going to cover this. Guys, I am on 375 for an hour and 10 minutes. Okay guys, 7 minutes left. So guys, we are finished. Now, I didn't do what I usually do, which is add onion and bell pepper. So, because I know a lot of people don't eat onion, I am sauteing it on the side, just to have when I get ready to start to saute my onions in butter. I'm going to take some of this juice from this chicken. sauce to mine. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. And leave us a comment if you actually try this and